Hi all, so now we are going to move on with the dictionaries. What functions we can use on the dictionaries? So basically, what are functions? Functions are the methods that we can use if we are making a method, say any method, how to move a car, and we write some instructions that it has to move left, right, and then go straight. So this is what we are specifying. We are giving an instruction to the computer that this is the method it should move. So the what how can we apply the functions or the methods on dictionaries that we have seen in the earlier scenario, that how we create the dictionaries, that how we can deal with dictionaries, within dictionaries, list within dictionaries. Now if we use, there are some inbuilt functions that we can use with the dictionaries. What are those which help us to access the elements? Because when there is a large amount of data given to us, then how can we actually deal with it? How can we access small values, small keys which are there within the dictionary whenever asked, and access those elements? So now let's see how to use the functions on the dictionaries. That is, if we create a dictionary, we are using the same dictionary that we have previously used, and say we have this, that is the fruit quantity, where we used a list within the dictionary here, and we'll just run it. And so our dictionary has been created, and we'll just see how the dictionary looks with its keys and values. Yes, it is showing us the keys, apple, mango, grapes, and with its values in the form of the list. Now what we want here is we have to perform various functions within it. So the first function that we are going to see here is, that is the length function. What does the length function do here? The length function tells us that how many key value pairs are there. So here, how many key value pairs? That is, here are 3 keys: apple, mango, grapes. So these are the pairs. Apple has its values 10, 20, 30. This is the first when we are counting it. Mango and grapes, those are 3. So there are 3 length. The length of this dictionary is 3, and we call it using the length function, which is an inbuilt function here. So specifying the name of the dictionary within the function, and when we press it, it shows us that there are 3 key value pairs, that is with the length function. Now if we want the length function, this is showing us the total key value pairs. If we want to see only the keys, then we can add here dot keys functions, dot key functions here, and when we press the shift plus enter, we can see that there are 3 keys. Now here it's showing only the it's counting only the number of keys here. So the keys here are apple, mango, and grapes. Similarly, we can see the values here. If we want to say this dot values, so we just need to call these inbuilt functions and we'll get the result. So values here are what? The values here can be seen as apple has 1 value. This is the first value here, this is the second value here, and this is the third value here. So that's why we are getting 3. Now we'll proceed on. So this is what is the length function. Now we want the second function that we are going to learn is, that is sorted function. Now what does this sorted function mean? Sorted function means that it will sort our keys, or it will sort our values in ascending or descending order, and if it is a string, it will sort it in ascending order. So we'll see how to do it. Just sorted function, we'll say sorted function, This sorted function is also an inbuilt function, and we are going to call it here the fruits quantity that we have. So this is the fruits quantity. Now since our fruits quantity here, as we have the dictionary, which is apple, mango and grapes, it is, these keys are there in the form of a string, so it will sort it using the alphabetical order. So here when we see, that is when we run this, we see it will show us the keys which are in the alphabetical order. Similarly, if we want to sort here only the keys, if we want to sort here in the reverse order, like we want the reverse order of it, so we'll just do reverse comma reverse equals to true. So if now we run it, we'll get it the reverse order. Previously it was apple, grapes, mango, and now it is mango, grapes, apple. So you can see this is how the Python actually works with its functions. We just need to call it and we will get the result. Now we also have one more function that is called pop item function. So we can just write dot pop item function, and it will remove one of the words there, our keys and the values, and that is yes. From copy 1, first we removed apple using only the pop function, and second we removed using the pop item function. It will automatically delete one of the key value pairs here. So it has removed here the grapes green, and the only left is mango yellow. Now if you want, there is the last function that we can use here is the clear function. So here we can use the clear function as well. So this is fruits. In order to clear all our dictionary, the dictionary will be cleared, it will be empty now. And now if we call our dictionary, so it will show an empty dictionary. We have cleared the dictionary, but we can also use the delete command, that is the del command, to remove the reference of our dictionary. So it will remove its reference also, not just clearing the elements from the dictionary, but it will delete the reference where our dictionary has been stored in the memory. It will delete its reference also. And now if we call to check that this dictionary now exists or not, we can see here now it will show an error because we have removed it from the reference. So thank you. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe.